Prior to and following the issuance of the draft NRC, at all points, we have repeatedly assured the government of Bangladesh that this is still a draft list prepared under the orders of the Supreme Court, and that the process of identification of citizens of Assam is still underway. The Bangladesh government have taken the view that the ongoing process is an internal matter of India. We do not apprehend any impact on our ties with Bangladesh, which remains excellent. To the question regarding whether this is likely to come up during Prime Minister's visit for the BIMSTEC summit, again, Madhuren, this is a speculative question. You know that first we have to announce, first they have to announce the BIMSTEC summit, then we have to announce the confirmation as to who's going, and then we come down to organizing of bilateral meetings, and then exactly what is going to be discussed. Yes, please.
So we have seen a military pact being signed between Russia and Pakistan, in which the Russians will be training Pakistani soldiers. Is this a cause of concern, given the fact that Moscow and New Delhi have been close partners?
You know, we have of course seen the media reports. You know our relations with Russia. It's a very time-tested relationship. It's a special relationship we have. They are a privileged strategic partner. Our relations are based on equal trust and respect for each other's core interest and sensitivities. After the informal summit at Sochi, I think the relationship has acquired a new dimension, which has provided an opportunity to deepen our relationship further. And also let me add that our relationship with Russia, which remains excellent, is independent of their relationship with any other country. Sinjoy?
Sir, could you give us more details on the Choksi situation? He's apparently in Antigua, and what the laws now say, because since both are Commonwealth countries, nationality may not be such an issue.
Thank you. Any other question on Mehul Choksi? Maha?
Sir, Mehul, on the issue of Mehul Choksi itself, what has been Antigua's formal response on his extradition? Meanwhile, his nephew, Nirav Modi, seems to have been spotted at some place or the other. Is there any official word on where he is?
Any other question on? Yes, please.
Sir, इंडियन जेल में उसको नीरव मोदी को रखने के लिए जो तमाशा हो रहा है, what the AMA is looking after all these things.
थोड़ा confusion है, I think दोनों आप mix कर गए.
नहीं दोनों नहीं, मेरे को वाला question है. I am not asking the Mehul Choksi questions. What I am asking the नीरव मोदी का जो उसका जो ये हुआ.
मैं बताऊं, चलिए मैं जवाब दूंगा. विजय माल्या, हाँ.
Sir, what is Antigua's actual response, specific response towards India's extradition?